Hey everyone, Daniel from Twin Bytes with another tutorial for you. This time I'm going to show you how you can test the health of your memory on your computer using a free diagnostic tool from memtest.org. I did a video on this a number of years ago, but here's a more up-to-date one. If we go on their website here, I'll have a link to it in the description below, and we'll scroll down about halfway and you'll see some of the downloads, and it gives you the date here when it was done last, so you want to look for the latest version, and you can download any one of these depending on how you want to unzip the file. And they also have ISO file for a USB, but I want to get the actual ISO file here that I can use in a virtual machine, so I'm going to download this and then we can burn it and run it. Once you burnt the USB or CD, then you just boot the computer using that USB stick or CD, and it instantly goes into this program. There's nothing else you have to do. It just boots right up and you let it run. And basically in here you're going to see lines in red if there's any issues. Otherwise, when it's done, it's just going to be in white showing that every test passed without errors. So if you wanted to look at any technical detail, you can see the type of processor that you have. It tells you about the memory over here, and this is the test progress. So you can see the overall progress is 9% done. So it's going through it fairly quick, and on this particular test it tells you how far along it is, and it goes to 100%, starts the next test and goes through to 100% again. And then you can see which test number it's on and what exactly it's doing in that test. So there's a bit of technical detail that maybe you don't really care about. The most important thing is to look for any errors at the bottom, and it'll tell you what it is, and you may have multiple lines in red if there's a problem. It won't really tell you which piece of memory is bad, but it at least will tell you in red, so it stands out, that there is a problem with at least one or more of the memory modules in your computer. So what you would then have to do is just remove all the memory except for one stick and test using this same procedure, one stick at a time, until you find out which one or ones, if there's more than one of them, that are bad, and then you'll know which memory you need to replace. Also note that sometimes it's not the memory that's bad, but it's the slot that it's plugged into that's bad. So you may have to move the memory from one slot to another and then run the test again, just to see that maybe it passes the test in the one slot, but it fails when it's in another. So that's it for this tutorial, and if you did find it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.